Hello everyone, welcome to Aliton Forex Academy. In this video, I will show you how to calculate pips in forex trading. Easy for beginners. So watch this video carefully. First to start with, what is a pip? A pip is the movement of price from one point to another. A pip is the smallest unit of price movement. Your profit depends on how many pips the market moves in your favor or against your favor. So I'll be using Euro USD as a live example. So let us take that 1.1000 is the actual price of Euro USD, and you bought at this price 1.110100. So this is how to calculate your pip. Let's say you bought at this price and the market increased to 1.005. Pip is always calculated after the decimal point. The fourth digit is where the pip is being calculated. So after the decimal point 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the price increased from 1.1000 to 1.1005. This means that the market increased in 5 pips profit. That's how pips is being calculated in major currency, example Euro USD. So the market moved from 1.1000 to 1.1005. This means that we made 5 pips profits. Let us see the market move to 1.1009. This means that the market moved from this actual price to this actual price, meaning that it increased in 9 pips. So we usually count at the last digits after the decimal point in major currency pairs. Example Euro USD, GBP USD. So this is how pips is being calculated in Euro USD, which is a major currency pair. So now let's take a look at commodities like metals, XAUUSD. I'll be showing you a practical example on how a pip is being calculated in XAUUSD. There are different calculations when it comes to pairs. Gold price is different from the Euro USD price, so it's being calculated differently with Euro USD. So let's take a look at that. Okay guys, this is XAUUSD, which is gold. I'll be showing you how to calculate pips in gold pair. So this is a chart, TradingView gold USD. So I will show you how to calculate pip in XAUUSD. So watch this. Let's say for instance the initial price you want to buy XAUUSD and the initial price is at 3330, which is 3330. Okay, so you want to buy, you bought XAUSD at this point. So let's say you bought XAUSD at this point and it goes to this point. It means you made 10 pips profit because XAUSD is calculated the last digit before the decimal point. It's different from calculating other currency pairs like major currency pairs like GBP USD, Euro USD. The pips is calculated after the last digit, the last digit before the decimal point, which is 3330. So the 0 increased to 1. So you made 1 pips profit. I mean, you made 10 pips profit. You know, most retail traders calculate pips like this, but some brokers calculate pips otherwise. Some brokers may call it this 10 pips to 100 points. In your MetaTrader 5, you can see something like 100 points. some brokers count it in points, while most retail traders um, use count it by 10 pips. So let's say it increased from 3330 to 331. It means you made 10 pips profit. Let's say it increased from this 331 and passed and entered 334, 3340. This means, let's count it, 331, 330, 331, 332, 333, 334, 335, 336, 337, 338, 339, 3340. It means if from year to year is 10 pips, it means from year to year is 100 pips profit. That's how good it is being calculated. So it means this is 100 pips. If it goes from this 3330 to 3340, it means 100 pips, because from 3330 to 3331 is 10 pips. From 3331 to 3332 is 20 pips. From 3332 to 3333 is 30 pips. So we count it like that. The same is vice versa when you sell. Just imagine you sold gold XAUSD, you sold at this point. You sold at 3340. Let's say you sold at 3340 and you are targeting your take profit. Maybe you sold at this point and your TP is at 3330. Okay, let's say your SL is at 3350. Okay, so it means that if the market sells from year to year, it means you are aiming for 100 pips profit, because from 3340 to 3339, 38, 37, 35, 36, 35 to 31 to 30 is 100 pips profit because you sold. But if you buy, you are expecting the price to rise, while if you sell, you are expecting the price to fall. So it means your SL, which is your stop loss, is at 3350, which is approximately 100 pips. If we are using this as an example. So guys, I'll be showing you this using a live price example. Thank you.
Hello guys, in this video I will show you two simple ways to calculate pips in XAUSD using MT5 platform. Method 1, using price movement. Currently the market is closed, so I will be showing you how to calculate pips using this XAUSD chart example. In the price chart, the current price is at 4017 4017.04. Let's say price moves from 4017 to 4027. So this is exactly 100 pips. Example, you bought at 4017. You bought at the current price, which is 4017, and the market moved, the price moved from 4017 to 4027. It means you made 100 pips profit. Pips is being calculated in XAUSD after the last digit before the decimal point. The last digit before the decimal point. Any increase or decrease depending if you bought or sold the pips is being counted. So from 4017 to 4018 is 10 pips. From 4018 to 4019 is 20 pips. From 4019 to 4021, 20 is 30 pips. From 4020 to 4021 is 40 pips. From 4021 to 4022 is 50 pips. So pips is being calculated the last digit before decimal point in XAUSD. Note that this is the most way retail traders usually calculate pips. Some brokers or platform measure pips in points. As you can see in the Meta 5 chart, is showing 1004 points. This is equivalent to 100 pips according to retail traders. So this same thing happens if you sell. If you sell at this price 4017 and the price reduced to 4015, it means that we are counting down. So 4017 to 4016 is 10 pips. 4016 to 4015 is 20 pips. It means that um, we ran down 20 pips in profit. So this is how pips is being calculated in XAUSD price. Okay, let's say the market moved from 4017 to 4020. Okay, let's say 4017 to 4022. This means that we are running 50 pips in our direction. The market is running 50 pips in our direction. That's if you bought good. If you bought good. So 4017 to 4018, 19, 20, 22 is 50 pips in profit. Okay, so this is how to calculate pips using price movement in XAUSD MT5 platform. I will show you another method you can use to calculate pips. Method 2 is using your profit. You can also calculate pips by looking at how much profit you made based on your lot size. For example, let's say we want to place the buy limit order at 4.4015. 4015. I want to place a buy order at this price. Then our lot size is 0.01. So we want to set our take profits at 4025. 4025. So 4025.31 is giving us 10.23 USD with 0.01 lot size. This means that we bought at 4015 and our take profit is at 4025 and it's giving us 10 USD. So calculating pips using your profit means that if we use 0.01 lot size and we are getting 10 USD, it means that we are making 100 pips in profit according to retail traders. This is 100 pips in profit because each movement increase from 4015 to 4016 gives us 1 USD. So if from 4015 to 4016 gives us 1 USD, it means that from 4015 to 4025 is going to give us 10 USD, which is 100 pips in profit. So according to retail traders, $1 profit equals to 10 pips. $5 profit equals to 50 pips. $10 profit equals to 100 pips with 0.01 lot size. Okay, let us say we want to use 0.02 lot size. With 0.02 lot size, $20 with 0.02 lot size equals to 100 pips. Now with 0.03 lot size, it means that with 0.03 lot size, 100 pips equals to $30. $30 equals to 100 pips. So let us say with 0.10 lot size. Okay, with 0.10 lot size, we are making 101 $102, which is 100 pips. So this principle applies to every lot size. A trader using 0.01 lot size and another trader using 0.10 lot size can both catch up 100 pips, but the trader using larger lot size will make more profits because each pip has a higher monetary value. So this means that we calculate our trading performance by pips because not every trader doesn't use the same lot size, so we use different lot sizes. So when calculating pips, calculating our performance generally, we will calculate with pips because we may make the same amount of pips in the trading performance, but our profits will differ because we are using different lot sizes. So I may be using 0.1 lot size and all of us made 100 pips profit, but that is using 0.01 lot size, I may make $10 profit, and someone using 0.10 lot size will make $100 profit. So you can see it's the same performance but different profits.